Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study physics step by step. First, build a strong foundation by understanding the core principles and concepts. Make sure your math skills, like algebra and calculus, are solid, as they are the language of physics. Regularly review what you've learned to keep it fresh, and remember to break down any complex problems into smaller, more manageable pieces. This approach helps prevent feeling overwhelmed. Next, active learning is crucial. Dedicate time to solving a wide variety of practice problems. This is where real understanding happens. Work through example problems carefully, step by step, to grasp the methodology. Try explaining concepts out loud to yourself or others, as this truly solidifies your knowledge. Also, pay attention to common mistakes you make and actively learn from them to improve. Don't hesitate to leverage all available resources. Use your textbooks, explore online lectures, and consult study guides to gain different perspectives. Forming study groups can be incredibly beneficial for discussing challenging topics and clarifying doubts. If you find yourself stuck, always seek help from your instructors or a tutor. Sometimes, a different explanation is all it takes for a concept to click. Finally, consolidate your learning and apply it. Create concise summary notes and flashcards for quick review of key formulas and definitions. Test your knowledge with timed practice, exams to simulate real conditions, and identify areas needing more work. Try to connect physics concepts to real-world applications. This makes the subject more tangible. Remember to maintain a positive mindset and celebrate your progress along the way.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.